My name is Daisy Flores. I am your tourist promoter of the travel agency Next. I want to offer tourist packages to the Chicamocha National Park. If you like adventuring, nature and history, you will definitely be the right place to spend a day away from a journey full of experience and good times. First, it is important to be clear that a theme park located in the Chicamocha Canyon, with an area of approximately 264 hectares. The Wim is one of the most impressive and attractive natural settings in Colombia, which is characterized by these mountains that are crossed by the Chicamocha River and carved by the breast of its typical vegetation as foxberry, seville, and cacti, inhabited by goats who walk every corner, and during the sun of the imposing climate that is turned keep human warm. To people who want you to have the best travel experience in Santander. We offer you a day pack where you can enjoy different activities such as cable flight, waypoint, main cable flight, ice rink, buggies, swing, 4D cinema, virtual reality, paragliding, torrentismo 360 grade, waypoint, and of the course you can live left without getting of the cable car that allows you to travel 6,300 km deep into the canyon for 13 minutes, as well as enjoy the aquapark. You can share deck space with your family from Wednesday to Sunday from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. Saturdays and Sundays with bank holiday Monday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. We order you typical dishes of the region. Among the most outstanding, we have the King and the Pipitoria, the Iron Med, Santanderian Mute, among more variety. Where you stay? We do not have loading service, but we recommend you stay in the closet towns such as San Gil, Bucaramanga, Socorro, where you can also enjoy tourist cities. Panachi Combo, Inclades, round trip transporting insurance policy, Panachi Combo bracelet, and trains to the park, cable car, and aquapark, tour guide, snacks and lunch, Investment. Patient 1,400. Thank you.